You are going to love the 2020 Versa. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine, and comes with a 5-speed manual transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, airbags, front knee, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, speed sensitive volume control, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.